In this video, I'll walk you through an easy, safe method using an official Microsoft tool to free up that cached memory and give your system an instant performance boost. This works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's jump right in. Right-click on the Windows Start button and click on Task Manager. This opens Windows Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, click on the Performance tab at the top. In the Performance tab, click on Memory in the left sidebar. This shows you detailed information about your RAM usage. Look at the right side of the window. You'll see a composition breakdown showing in use, available, cached, etc. Focus on the cached value. That's a significant amount of RAM being held in cache. Your number might be different, maybe 1 GB, maybe 4 GB, or even more. The larger this number, the more you'll benefit from clearing it. Keep Task Manager open so we can watch the cached memory go down after we use the tool. Open your web browser and search for IMMap Microsoft and click on the first link. The official page is on Microsoft's website. On this page, you'll see information about what IMMap does. Scroll down until you see a blue Download IMMap button. Click on that button. The file will download. It's very small, only about 400 to 800 kilobytes, so it should download almost instantly, even on slower connections. The file downloads as a zip archive called rammap.zip. Once it's downloaded, you need to extract it before you can use it. Go to your Downloads folder, find the rammap.zip file, right-click on it, and select Extract All from the context menu. Click the Extract button. Perfect. Now let's run the IMMap tool. Look for the one named rammap.exe. That's the main executable file. Double-click on rammap.exe. A user account control prompt will appear. Click Yes to proceed. Read through it if you like, then click Agree to accept and continue. The IMMap window shows you a detailed breakdown of how your RAM is being used. Click on Empty in the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. The one we want is Empty Standby List. This is the cached memory we saw in Task Manager. Click on Empty Standby List. Now watch what happens. The process is almost instant. Look at your Task Manager window. You should see the cached value drop dramatically. In my case, it went from 9.3 GB down to just 400 to 500 MB. Use IMMap to clear cache when your system feels slow even though you're not running many programs. Check Task Manager first. If you see several GB of cached memory and your available RAM is low, it's time to clear the cache. Personally, I keep IMMap handy and use it whenever I notice my system getting sluggish or before I start a demanding task. It's quick and effective. If this video helped speed up your PC, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.